Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove CAPCUT watermark on mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CAPCUT application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to show you how we can remove CAPCUT watermark or CAPCUT logo that usually appear at the end of our video. I'm going to open up one of the projects I have just created. For example, this one. Okay, and the CAPCUT watermark will appear at the end of our video. This one guys, this is how the CAPCUT logo or CAPCUT watermark looks like, and I'm going to show you how we can remove it. If we want to remove it, we can simply click on the ending. Okay, then we can click on delete. Okay, and now the CAPCUT watermark or CAPCUT logo has been removed from my project, and we'll be able to export this project without watermark. However, guys, the CAPCUT watermark will appear again when we create new project. I'm going to create new project, for example, with this video again. All right, and as you can see, guys, that the CAPCUT watermark appear at the end of our video, and I'm going to show you how we can permanently remove the CAPCUT logo or CAPCUT watermark from our project. I'm going to show you how we can automatically remove it. We can go to the CAPCUT setting, go to your this profile icon, and then you can select the setting right here on the top right, and go to default ending. And to remove the CAPCUT logo or CAPCUT watermark, we need to disable the default ending. You can click on this toggle button, and then you can click on discard. And after you disable the default ending, the CAPCUT logo or CAPCUT watermark won't appear at the end of your video anymore. And I'm going to show you. I'm going to create new project, and let's see. Okay, as you can see guys, that the CAPCUT ending or CAPCUT watermark has been removed automatically. Okay, and I'm just going to go back. Alright, and okay guys, that's all the way to remove CAPCUT watermark on our mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys. I hope this video helpful for you.